Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in into DeepSeek AI. So in order to do it, you first have to open your web browser and search for deepseek.com. Now once you are on the official website of DeepSeek, you just have to click on the Start Now button. You can also follow the same steps in the DeepSeek mobile application. You just have to launch it, and the first interface of the app or the web will look something like this. Now since you want to log in, it will automatically redirect you on this page where you just have to provide your email address or your phone number and password, and then you just have to simply confirm it and click on the login button in order to log in into your account. Now if you have created your account with the help of your Google account, so you can click on the login with Google, and after selecting your email address, you just have to simply press continue, and this way you will be able to open or log in into your DeepSeek AI account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.